We're gonna cook some curry goat from start to finish, guys. Come along, awesome, delicious recipe. Hi guys, welcome to Selvan Kitchen. Today we're gonna do an awesome, delicious recipe from start to finish, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful recipe in Selvan Kitchen. Yes, my beautiful people, awesome, delicious recipe. The first thing, we have 2 medium-sized carrot already cut up already. We have 1 medium-sized onion. We have 1 bell pepper. We have 2 stalks of spring onion. We have a piece of ginger. We already grated the ginger already. We have 5 cloves of garlic. We have 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any type of cooking oil for your preference. We have a piece of dry thyme. And then we have half a tablespoon of pimento allspice. I already crushed them up already. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have half a tablespoon of curry powder. And over here, the goat, already clean up the goat already. I already wash it already. So over here now we have a little bit of pepper. We're going to use a pinch of pepper. We're going to use a pinch of salt. Awesome, delicious recipe, guys, and please give me a thumbs up for the video. So the first step we're going to do, guys, is heat up this nice, delicious curry goat. We're going to add in the all-purpose season. After we add in the all-purpose season, we're going to add in some pimento allspice. The pimento allspice, I crush up the grains them. I get it in powder to get a bit of flavor out of it, a bit of taste. And what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to add in a pinch of salt. After we add in a pinch of salt, guys, we're going to add in a pinch of pepper. After we add in a pinch of pepper, we're just going to use our hand to rub up this meat properly, that the season can combine with this curry goat. And then after the season combined with this curry goat, guys, we're just going to put it to marinate for around half an hour. So enjoy this beautiful recipe, guys. So now, guys, we're going to mix up all of that season to combine with that curry goat. I just using my hand. I just love to feel the meat on my hand when I'm doing the old-fashioned way that I used to see my mom, my grandmother doing, guys. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I just put the frying pan on the fire. I'm just going to add in my olive oil. After adding my olive oil, I'm just going to add in the curry for 30 seconds. Let the curry brown off. So yes, my beautiful people. So the curry been brown off for the last 30 seconds. It's optional. If you don't want to brown off your curry, it's up to you guys. You can season up the curry and let it marinate in the meat. But I love to brown off my curry first before I add in my meat. So this is my way to cook curry. It's optional if you have a different way. So I add in the goat in the curry. Let it mix around properly, and then I'm going to brown it off. And then I'm going to add the lid on it. Yes, my beautiful people. So the goat is on for the last 7 minutes. So let's give it a nice stir. Let that curry combine with that goat properly. Garlic and the ginger, so I'm adding the onion, garlic and the ginger. With some thyme. Just gonna give it a nice stir now. I'm gonna stir in all of that onion and that ginger to combine with that goat. Wow, look at that, my beautiful people. Just gonna put the lid on that. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add some boiling water on this goat. Normally, I would have put it in the pressure cooker, but I ain't gonna put it in the pressure cooker today. I'm just gonna slow cook it. Having some boiling water, give it a nice stir. Okay, we're gonna give it around 15 minutes, and then we check it again. We didn't add in the carrot as yet, and we didn't add in the bell pepper and the spring onion. We're gonna add that in later. And we're gonna add in a pinch. Yes, guys, so this has been cooking down for the last half an hour. And I'm just gonna take off the lid off of it. So turn on the stove very low, let it slow cook, let it take time and cook. So it's cooking for the last half an hour, guys. So right now what I'm gonna do now, we're just gonna add in my carrot and my bell pepper. So add in my carrot. Give that a nice stir. Some bell pepper. Spring onion. Give it a nice stir. So I'm going to turn on this, give it 10 minutes more. So what I do, guys, I add in the bell pepper and the carrot and the spring onion, and the last thing I put in. Yes, guys, this is all finished now, guys. This is all finished, my beautiful people. Nice, delicious, awesome, tasty, finger-licking curry goat. This is all finished, guys. Look at that. Look at that gravy there. That gravy is so nice and thick. This is all finished, my people. So the total, I give it 50 minutes. Take time and slowly cook. So this is all finished, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And please like the video before you go. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. And please check out the channel for the rest of the awesome, delicious recipe, guys. I have nearly 200 lovely, awesome, delicious recipe there. And anybody want to be a patron, I'm going to drop the link. Anybody want to leave a donation to Selvin Kitchen YouTube page, feel free. Please watch the ads, them guys. Don't skip them. Selvin Kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video. Walk good, stay safe. A lot of love from Selvin Kitchen.